day everyone, I am Edison Scardinio, Grouper Reporter. Our topic for today's video is all about classification of computers. First, computers on the basis of size and capacity. What is supercomputer? A supercomputer is the very fastest and powerful and expensive type of computer for processing data. Supercomputer size and storage capacity are also huge, can occupy huge premises, designed to process vast amount of data in a short time with high productivity. These are specially made to perform multi-specific tasks, therefore many CPUs work in parallel order on these supercomputers. This function of a supercomputer is called multiprocessing or parallel processing. Each part of a supercomputer is responsible for its own specific tasks, such as structuring and solving the most complex problem requiring an incredible amount of calculation. The uses of supercomputers are dedicated to. Kasagaran na ito siya makita ang supercomputers, anhag na siya sa sulod sa research and study of energy and nuclear weapons, designing and the aircraft, airplanes, and flight simulators, climate research, and weather forecasting and prediction of natural disasters, spaceship and satellites launching, used in scientific research laboratory, used in chemical and biological research, and for highly calculation complex tasks. Example: IBM Roadburner, IBM Blue-Gene, Intel ASI Read Param 1000, and Cray XMP14. Next, microcomputer. Today we are using mini computers at home is also the most common microcomputer. With this invention of the microprocessor in the year of 1970, it became possible to use computer for people personally at a low cost and reasonable price, known as digital personal computer. The design of microcomputer is minimal in size and storage capacity. These computers consist of many parts like input and output devices, software, operating system, networks, and servers. All these need to connect to form a complete personal digital computer. There is not only a PC or laptop are example of microcomputer. Naa sa example sa microcomputer ang atong gigamit karon, like smartphone, like smartwatch, mga nana klaseng mga computer nga atong madala-dala, mga laptop or uban pa mga kuan. So naa siya specific example of the microcomputer are smartphone, tablet, PDA, server, palm top, and workstation. This can be installed in any work area or even at home for personal use. Types of microcomputer. Mao to siya nga akong giingon ganiha nga ang desktop, workstation, laptop, server, smartphone, PDA, tablets, palm top. The primary purpose of microcomputer is to keep and process the everyday tasks and needs of the people. So kasagaran magamit din nato siya sa na sa atong klase para madali ang atong pangtrabaho kada adlaw. Only one person can work on a single PC at a time, but its operating system is multitasking. The PC can be connected to the internet to take benefits and enhance the user experience. The development of multimedia, small equipment, optimized energy consumption, and the land made the microcomputers increase in demand for every field. Next.
Hi, I'm Joshua. I will going to discuss mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are high-performance, multi-programming, and multi-use system designed to handle the workloads of over 100 users simultaneously. And the capacity of mainframe They have enormous storage and can manage hundreds of input and output devices. And the efficiency of mainframe are highly efficient, capable of simultaneously solving complex calculations continuously for extended periods. And the next is microprocessors. These computers use several microprocessors to function data and high performance and speed. And the next one is a mini computer. Mini computer is a digital and multi-user computer system that connects to more than one CPU, which allows many people to work on the computer simultaneously instead of a single user. And the capabilities of mini computers can process with other accessories like a printer or plotter. The positioning of mini computers are medium-sized computers that have more functionality and computing power than microcomputers, but are less powerful than mainframes and supercomputers. The size of storage and speed of mini computers are larger but less than those of mainframe and supercomputers.
Hi, I'm Jorian Inyo Pablio, one of the reporter in classification of computers. I'm going to tell you the two main purpose in classifications of computers, which is the general purpose and the special purpose. First, general purpose. General computers can do various everyday tasks such as writing a word processing letter, document presentation, recording, financial analysis, printing documents, creating databases, and calculations with accuracy and consistency. The size, storage capacity, and cost of such computers are performing specialized tasks. Still, it has versatility and useful in the environment. Example, desktops, laptops, smartphones, and tablets are used on daily basis for general purposes. Second purpose. These computers are designed to perform a particular or specialized task. The size, storage capacity, and cost of such computers mainly depend on the nature and size of the work. The function of the computers is consistent with any particular task. The special computers need specific processor and input and device to conduct work efficiently. These are used for special purpose in weather forecasting, space research, agriculture, engineering, meteorology, satellite operation, traffic control, and research chemical sciences. Mga example ani is ATM or automatic teller machine, washing machine, surveillance equipment, weather forecasting simulators, traffic control computers, defense-oriented applications, oil exploration system, military planes controlling computers.
Analog computer. An analog computer performs tasks using continuous data, the physical amount that changes continuously. Analog computers are used primarily to measure physical units like the voltage, pressure, electric current, temperature, and convert them into digits. It is also to measure and perform arithmetic calculation of numbers, the length of an object, of the amount voltage the processor applied, an electrical circuit. Analog computer obtain all their data from some measurement way. Analog computers are mainly used in the fields of science and engineering. Analog computers are slow and equipped to measure things rather than countable to check. Analog computer. This example of analog computer. An analog computer installed on petrol pump measure the amount of petrol coming out of the pump and appear there and calculate in the value. These are quantities temperature of the human body changes uh, consistently, simple clock, the vehicle, speedometer, voltmeter are example of analog computer. The next one is digital computer. As the name suggests, a digital computer represents the digital computer's letters, numerical value, or any other species symbols. There are computer is the computer that calculate the number of processing of the data. The run of electronic sign at the binary numeral method, binary system 0 or 1 is used to calculation. Their speed is fast. It can perform arithmetic operations such as addition, occurrence, subtraction, multiplication, or division, and all types of logical, mathematical operations. Today, most of the computer available in the market are digital computers. The desktop of laptop, our home is one of the common best example of digital computer. Other example of digital computer, personal desktop computers, calculators, laptop, smartphone and tablets, digital watch, accounting machines, workstations, and lastly, digital clock. That's an example of a digital computer.
Third is hybrid computer. Hybrid computer is a combined complex computer unit built using both analog and digital properties and united by a single control system. The purpose of designing hybrid computers is to provide functions and features that can be found on both analog and digital devices. The aim beyond creating a hybrid computer is to create a kind of work unit that offers the best of both types of computers. Hybrid computers are extremely fast when driving equations, even when those calculations are incredibly complex. As both the properties of a computer consist in a form of a single hybrid computer made possible to solve two complex calculation or problems at the same time. These devices are not only too expensive but also able to solve complex issues a bit fastly. So, ari na ta sa application of hybrid computers. Hybrid computers are most commonly used in vast industries, research, centers, organization, and manufacturing firms, where many equations need to be solved. Also, the solution and uses of hybrid computers have proved to be much more detailed, accurate, and useful. Hybrid computers are used in scientific calculations for nations, defense, and radar system as well. So best example aning hybrid computer is auto gasoline pump. So kani siyang device is installed on a petrol pump do not only to measure the amount of petrol but also to calculate its value. In this way, it is capable both function, i.e. hybrid function. So that's all about our topic, classification of computer. This is group 4, Babush.